Ready to reset your skin? The Zeo Daily Skincare Kit has your everyday essentials for smoother, clearer, and healthier looking skin. Comes in very convenient, grab and go. Comes with your exfoliating cleanser, exfoliating polish, your complexion clearing pads, and your daily power defense. The only steps that you need for daily skincare. Cleanse, rinse, scrub, apply the scrub, leave it on, grab your complexion clearing pads, take the pads and continue to work that scrub all through the face and work it until that pad is used up. Then rinse both of those products off and finish up with your daily power defense. Fights dullness, minimizes pores, controls breakouts, brighten your complexion, dermatologist tested, formulas that actually work. So today for Black Friday, you get 10% off any of your skincare products with us, but also you get a free gift with purchase for any skincare purchases over $250. And this is a pick your poison kind of situation here. You can get the Intense Eye Cream with the eye mask, or you can get the Renew and Replenish Duo, which comes with the exfoliating accelerator. So that would go after your polish. You put a pump of this on and work that until all of the little granules in your exfoliating polish are dissolved. Then use your pad to take that off. And then it also comes with hydrating cream. Is this that time of year where skin is more dry? You can use this following your daily power defense to add that moisture to your skin. Don't forget, $250, free gift with purchase, 10% off skincare. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Give us a message, send us a text. We're here all day, 931-922-2933.